Hello everyone. So today we will start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Phrases and Clauses. Let's begin the chapter. Chapter 11, Phrases and Clauses. A phrase is made up of a group of words to convey some meaning, but it does not make complete sense by itself. Phrase जो होता है वो group of words से बना होता है, but लेकिन उसका meaning होने के बाद लेकिन वो complete meaning नहीं होता है. A phrase does not have a finite verb नहीं होता, but उसका infinite verb होता है. Participle, indefinite, gerund. It has a meaning only in the context of sentence. My elder sister एक well-known doctor है. You will succeed in the high jump. To know oneself is the beginning of wisdom. I enjoy listening music. Now comes kinds of phrases. There are 5 types होते हैं phrases के. एक noun phrase वो होता है जिसमें main word जो होता है वो noun होता है. Noun phrase का role एक similar होता है जैसे कि एक noun का होता है एक sentence के अंदर. जैसे my elder brother is very intelligent. एक adjective phrase वो होता है जिसमें main objective होता है. Example, my elder brother is very intelligent. Note, जब भी कोई एडजेक्टिव को हम नाउन से पहले नाउन फ्रेज में लगाते हैं तो वो सिंपली रोल प्ले करता है एक मॉडिफायर का, नॉट दैट ऑफ अ मेन वर्ड. एग्जाम्पल, माई एल्डर ब्रदर. इन एन एडजेक्टिव फ्रेज कोई नाउन नहीं है, देयरफॉर एडजेक्टिव का रोल जो है ऑफ द मेन वर्ड. एग्जाम्पल, वेरी इंटेलिजेंट. अ वर्ब फ्रेज इज वन इन विच द मेन वर्ड इज अ वर्ब. वर्ब फ्रेज होता है जिसमें मेन वर्ड वर्ब होता है. एग्जाम्पल, शी हैज बीन रीडिंग ऑल नाइट. In the phrase has been reading, अब main word जो है वो present participle form of the word read, that is reading. Auxiliary verb has and been help the main verb to convey the time of action expressed. Adverbial phrase वो होता है जिसमें main word आपका adverb होता है. Example, she has been reading the book very sincerely. In the phrase very sincerely, main word or head is the adverb sincerely, which gives information about how the reading is being done. एडवर्ब मॉडिफाई करता है वर्ब रीडिंग को, एडवर्ब्स मॉडिफाई करता है वर्ब इन अ सेंटेंस को. वर्ड वेरी मॉडिफाई करता है मेन वर्ड को. एक प्रेपोजिशनल फ्रेज वो होता है जिसमें मेन वर्ड आपका प्रेपोजिशन है. एग्जाम्पल, ही हैज बीन राइटिंग ऑल नाइट इन हिज डायरी. प्रेपोजिशंस यूजुअली उसको एक ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत होती है मीनिंग कंप्लीट करने के लिए, तो आप ये बोल सकते हो कि ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द प्रेपोजिशन यहाँ पर डेरी कैन नॉट बी द मेन वर्ड. जब भी एक प्रेपोजिशन एक बिगनिंग ऑफ अ फ्रेज तो वो मेन वर्ड हो जाता है. Now let's come to the next exercise. Circle the main word in highlighted phrases in the sentence below. Identify the types of phrases and one has been done for you. He always behaves in a good manner. तो यहाँ in a good manner prepositional phrase. The girl with the brown hair is dancing. With brown hair, prepositional phrase. The people at my home are my relatives. At my home, again, prepositional phrase. They were shouting in a loud voice. In a loud voice, again, prepositional phrase. Now, next comes clause. A clause is a group of words that has a subject and a predicate. Clause जो होता है वो group of word होता है जिसका subject भी होता है, predicate भी हो सकता है. This is the house which was built by my father. Which was built by my father ये एक part हो गया larger sentence का, and it is not complete by itself. तो therefore ये एक clause हो गया. फिर आता है types of clauses. Clauses जो होते हैं दो तरह के होते हैं. पहला होता है principal clause या main clause या independent clause. दूसरा subordinate clause या dependent clause. A clause which is independent अपने मीनिंग में वो प्रिंसिपल या मेन क्लॉज है. क्लॉज which can't stand by itself वो सबॉर्डिनेट और डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज है. एग्जाम्पल, आई कुड नॉट स्टडी एज द लाइट वेंट आउट. टू क्लॉजेज इस सेंटेंस में होते हैं. मेन क्लॉज हो गया आपका आई कुड नॉट स्टडी और सबॉर्डिनेट क्लॉज हो गया एज द लाइट वेंट आउट. फिर आता है सबॉर्डिनेट क्लॉज. सबॉर्डिनेट क्लॉज जो होते हैं तीन तरह के होते हैं. पहला हो गया नाउन क्लॉज, एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज, एडवर्ब क्लॉज. नाउन क्लॉज क्या होता है? क्लॉज जो परफॉर्म करता है एक फंक्शन को सिमिलर नाउन के सिमिलर टू अ नाउन इन अ सेंटेंस, उसको हम नाउन क्लॉज कहते हैं. इन अदर वर्ड्स एक क्लॉज जो हम एक सब्जेक्ट की तरह एक्ट करता है, एक ऑब्जेक्ट या कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ अ सेंटेंस, उसको हम नाउन क्लॉज कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, विच एवर कोट यू पिक इज फाइन विद मी. आई एम फाइन विद विच एवर कोट यू पिक. अब एक क्लॉज जो एक्शन परफॉर्म कर रहा है वो सेंटेंस में नाउन की तरह कर रहा है. अब अबव सेंटेंस में जो डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज है, विच एवर कोट यू पिक, वो एक सब्जेक्ट की तरह एक्ट कर रहा है फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में और ऑब्जेक्ट की तरह काम कर रहा है सेकंड सेंटेंस में। तो देयरफॉर वी कॉल दिस डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज को हम एक नाउन क्लॉज कहते हैं। Object of a preposition. A noun clause can also act as the following. Example, pay attention to what I say. Object to a participle. Example, knowing she loved reading, I bought her a book. Object to an infinitive. Example, he became happy to hear that his brother has won the trophy. Complement to a verb. Example, his ambition was that he should become a teacher. In oppositions to a noun or a pronoun, it. Example, it is a miracle that she has passed with first division. Now, let's do the exercise. Underline the noun clause in each sentence. So, I don't know whether I want the event or whether I want the event. When he returns, he's done history. When he returns, whichever you choose will look great, whichever you choose. What he said made a lot of what he said. Now, let's just complete the following sentence by using appropriate noun clause. I hope that you will succeed. They all sad that they are coming. So like this you have to complete this. Now comes the next adjective clause. जब भी एक डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज प्लेज द सेम रोल इन अ सेंटेंस एज एन एडजेक्टिव, तो वो हो जाता है आपका एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज। एडजेक्टिव डिस्क्राइब करता है एक नाउन को, एक प्रोनाउन को, जैसे, और वही काम होता है एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज का। एग्जाम्पल, द बॉय हु सेव्ड योर ब्रदर फ्रॉम ड्रोनिंग इज माई कजिन। हियर डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज जो होता है वो डिस्क्राइब्स द नाउन बॉय जस्ट एज एन एडजेक्टिव, देयरफॉर इट इज एन एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज। Let's do the exercise. Pick out the adjective clause in the following sentences and say which noun or pronoun each qualifies. Now, first is he that is down fears no fall. That is down. She is the lady who has a gentle disposition. Who has a gentle disposition? Book which I use is helpful in preparation of test. Which I use is helpful. Like this, you have to do the rest of the parts. Next comes your adverbial clause. A clause that modifies a verb in a sentence, उसको हम adverbial clause कहते हैं। चाहे adverbial clause modify करता है verb of the main clause. Example, after the storm passed, we went outside. Here, subordinate clause after the storm passed modifies the very went. The clause in this sentence refers to time, तो therefore ये एक adverbial clause है। Like adverbs, adverbial clause जो है वो different types के हैं। They too answer the questions what, when, where, why and so on in a relations to the verb. अब example है manner. Example, do this work as I have told you. He speaks as though he was boss. Time. Example, I will not hear until you arrive. Bring me some water before you go. Logical deduction, result, reason. Example, I sing because I like singing. He was very pleased that he would got admission to this college. Place. Example, where there is a will, there is a way. Comparison. Example, she is as beautiful as she is intelligent. He works harder than I do. Cause. Example, as it is raining again, we will have to cancel the match. The bill, his electricity was cut off because he had not paid. Condition. Example, you may come if you want to. You won't pass unless you work hard. Purpose. Example, we eat that we may even live. He works hard so that he will become a doctor. Supposition, concession. Example, although she had fever, she took participation in the meeting. He went to school in spite of the heavy rain. Now, let's do the exercise. Pick out the adverb clause. Now, because you have done this, I shall punish. So, because you have done this, although he tried a lot, he couldn't climb up the tree. He tried a lot. Unless you study for the exam, you can't pass unless you study for the exam. So, like this, you have to underline the adverb clause. Then comes next is complete the following sentence by adding the adverb clause mentioned in the brackets. They decided to play when the rain stopped. The old men were told that they would be dismissed if they do not follow the rules. So like this, you have to show the contrast, condition, cause, time according to the words given in brackets. Then comes next is combine each pair of sentence below into one sentence में हमें इसे combine करना है. He is very fat, he cannot walk fast. As he is very fat, he cannot walk fast. Iron is found in India, coal is also found in India. So iron as well as coal is found in India. He has to come in time, he will not be able to see me. He has to come in time, otherwise he will not be able to see me. So like this, you have to complete the rest of the parts. I hope you all have understood this. You can go through it again, complete the exercises. We will meet in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.